Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you open a new workbook, the active cell is always cell A1. You can use the mouse to click into any cell to make it the active cell. You can also use your keyboard to move the active cell cursor. There are many ways to move the active cell quickly with the keyboard. Let's review a list of typical keyboard strokes and their corresponding movements in regard to the active cell. First, pressing the up arrow key on your keyboard moves the active cell up one cell. Pressing the down arrow key moves the active cell down one cell. Pressing the right arrow key moves the active cell right one cell, and pressing the left arrow key moves the active cell left one cell. Pressing the page down key moves the active cell down one page. Pressing the page up key moves the active cell up one page. Pressing the Alt plus page down keys moves the active cell right one page, and pressing the Alt plus page up key moves the active cell left one page. Pressing the Control plus Home keys moves the active cell to the upper left corner. Pressing the Control plus End keys moves the cell to the lower right cell as far out as data entry has occurred within the worksheet. Pressing the Tab key moves the active cell one cell to the right. Pressing the Shift plus Tab keys moves the active cell one cell to the left. Pressing the Enter key on your keyboard moves the active cell down one cell, and pressing the Shift plus Enter keys on your keyboard moves the active cell up one cell.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.